Here we have this project pulled up in Revit. Starting here with the cover sheet, I'm going to navigate up to the 3D views, click on that, bring this in, and look at it closer. Bring up the shaded and show that this model was what all the sheet views were generated from. Now I'm going to take this 3D view and I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to orient it to another view. And the one I will select will be the wall section 2. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to orbit around this and show this wall section in 3D, and pull that wall back to include the storefront. So you can see we can take this cut box and increase the size of it to include the entire building, the entire site, or any part or piece of the building we like if we want to do a study of a certain area in 3D. These purlins are families that we created, and it's created one time. So in any successive projects after this, if the purlin has to change in size, all we have to do is key in the dimension, and that three-dimensional purlin automatically changes. Further, these materials are attached either to one another or to a reference plane, and whatever changes are made, that material will follow with it, with the proper settings. Even further, if we were to change the slope of this roof, all these materials, the structure, everything would follow with it. I'm going to go down to plan details and show another tool that's neat to have. These notes are attached as intelligent information to the materials, and so by placing a leader to the material, the text automatically comes up. I'm going to activate the view of one of these and pull up and edit this 1-inch stucco to 2-inch stucco. Now notice what happens over here. That will globally edit everywhere. I'm going to go ahead and deactivate this view so this could be seen a little clearer. That wherever this note occurs is a 2-inch stucco. That edit globally changes everywhere, not on just this sheet, but everywhere. Okay, I'm going to zoom back out and show this sheet. Make sure that that note is back where it needs to be. Good. Okay. Sheet A501, wherever that occurs in the other sheets, let's zoom in on the floor plan here and see the A501 there. I'm going to go back over to the plan details, and I'm going to change that to something very obvious, easily seen. Okay. So not only has it changed here, but if I go over to the floor plan, we can see that's automatically coordinated over here. Of course, we don't want that, so I'm going to undo it, and that will change back into its appropriate place. Revit is Autodesk's platform for building information modeling. Built on the Revit platform, Revit architecture software is a complete, discipline-specific building design and documentation system supporting all phases of design, construction documentation, and even fabrication. From capturing conceptual studies through the development of the most detailed construction drawings and schedules, Revit-based applications help provide immediate competitive advantage, deliver better coordination and quality across project phases and disciplines, and can contribute to higher profitability for architects. Thank you for viewing this presentation.